People. People are friendly. World. World. The world is beautiful. City. The city is big. Home. Home. I'm going home. I'm going home. Family. I love my family. Child. The child is smiling. The child is smiling. Parent. My parents are kind. My parents are kind. Age. What is your age? Age. What is your age? Time. Time. I don't have a time. Minute. Minute. Wait 1 minute. Hour. Hour. The lesson is 1 hour. Week. Next week is busy. Next week is busy. Months. Months. This month is hot. Year. Year. This year is special. Morning. Morning. I study in the morning. I study in the morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. See you this afternoon. Evening. Good evening. Night. Good night. Door. Door. Open the door. Key. I lost my key. Bed. The bed is comfortable. Kitchen. She is in the kitchen. Bathroom. Bathroom. The bathroom is clean. Clothes. My clothes are clean. Shirt. Shirt. He's wearing a white shirt. Shoes. Shoes. My shoes are new. Food. Food. The food is delicious. Drink. Drink. This drink is cold. Bread. Bread. I need some bread. Rice. Rice. We eat rice every week. Meat. Meat. The meat is fresh. Egg. Egg. I eat 1 egg every morning. Fruit. Fruit. Fruit is healthy. Vegetable. Vegetables are good for you. Money. Money. I need more money. Shop. Shop. The shop is open. friend, friend. He is my best friend. Love, love. Love is important. Love is important. Smile. Your smile is beautiful. Your smile is beautiful. Your smile is beautiful. Help. Please help me. English. Learn. I want to learn English. Speak. She speaks English well. She speaks English well. Listen. Listen carefully. Listen. Listen carefully. Understand. I understand you. Remember. Remember. Remember my name. Forget. Don't forget your keys. Begin. Begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Finish. The lesson is finished. The lesson is finished.